time to file your tax return. I know you're going, what? Okay. And many have already done that. And what they're seeing, sadly, are smaller refunds.
Yeah, the IRS says the reason many people will be receiving a smaller tax return is due to shrunken tax credits and deductions.
WATE 6 on your side consumer reporter Don Dare sat down with a professional tax preparer and went over some of the tax changes for us. Don.
Well, Lori, the changes we'll see this year can be summed up this way. The stimulus giveth, and now it's gone. Because of the government response to the COVID-19 pandemic, many people received a $1,400 stimulus check in 2021, the third of such payments, remember? At the same time, a lot of taxpayers actually received what's called a recovery rebate credit, and they got $1,400 a person on their 2021 taxes, adding to their tax refund, or putting it another way, lowering their bill. But now that's gone for people dealing with their 2022 taxes.
At his office in Halls, tax consultant Mark Curran is preparing for a busy tax season. He's already advising some of his regular customers that they may not be receiving as big of a refund as in the past couple of years.
The recovery rebate credit has gone away, and in 2021, that was $1,400 per individual in the household, which did significantly increase a lot of people's refunds. So again, that could be a reason why your refund might be lower this year than it was in 2021.
There are some changes to the child tax credit.
Correct. For the COVID incentives, there were enhanced and increased child tax credits and child independent care credits, but those have been reverted to pre-COVID levels. So parents could actually be looking at a lower refund than last year potentially.
Last year provided a small windfall for many people filing their returns, but not this year.
They're going to be reverted back to pre-COVID levels, which could cause families that have the same type of income as they did in 2021 to 2022 to actually have a lower refund this year.
Although expensive, more and more people are buying plug-in electric vehicles, and they can expect some nice credits.
Electric vehicles and energy-efficient home improvements are, a major focus of the Inflation Reduction Act. So there are up to $7,500 credits for individuals and up to $40,000 for businesses that purchased electric vehicles in 2022.
But you have to be careful as to where your vehicle is made. It has to be made here in the USA?
Correct. There are a myriad of restrictions and qualifications for the Clean Vehicles credit. The best thing to do would be to consult a tax advisor and have them walk you through that.
As always, the best advice for tax preparers is don't delay in filing your return.
Get in early. It's always the earlier you get in your tax return, the quicker you get your refund back.
Now, the IRS says people who file electronically should expect to get their refund within 21 days if they choose direct deposit and their return has no issues. People who submit returns on paper are more likely to join the agency's large backlog. If you find yourself in over your head, help is available and much of it is free. If you made less than $73,000 in 2022, go to irs.gov, where you can use IRS Free File. Basically, does your taxes for you at no cost. Bo?
Like the sound of that for a lot of people, that's for sure, Don. Thank you. Hey, if you have a consumer question for Don, send him an email at ddare@wat.com or call a 6 on your side hotline. The number is 865-633-5974.